guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Hello, my conscious people. Where they hear better truth, not the one they hear truth. Later they'll come get confused, not to know the truth, to know their left from their right. This is Andrew Omofuma from the home of Equal Right and Justice. You know why I tag this page, the home of Equal Right and Justice? Because I know I will ever compromise. Never will I ever compromise my standards. My standards are so high. Nobody feel bribe me. Nobody feel come to me, come tell me, to coerce me, to go against what I know say they wrong because of your millions, your small coins will not reach 20% of my salary or even 5% of my salary. When I done the work for years, can't they tie my tongue, they cannot talk. I go always tell them and say, we'll never reach. We will not ever fit rich. I will be the last man standing to be bribed with 2 million for 5 million. I have it. They say everybody get their price tag, but I don't even get price tag. I don't think I have a price tag because I will always continue to say the truth. Not caring whose house is being God. This whole thing bring me back to Obazee. Abat, I stay there for street too. I never reach house. You know, say you just come, you be asylum seeker now. We don't dey here. We don't put our leg for the ground, get the bar. I go beat you for house. One on one, I go beat you. I go tell you fast. Facts. Fast. Make you go keep yourself where you rightly belong to. Now, when you are put here, you dey hit Winnie, but I know we even go there first. I want to tell you the 1,001 reason why you're supposed to hide. You got to hide. Except those, not the reason. Those not the think. It was you, this same Abat, that formed different clique to hold those in diaspora bondage. Unto what? We're going to have the memorandum of understanding. Governor, the MOU governor is going to give us gele. It's going to give us a industrial park. It's going to give us everything. It's going to turn Benin to Singapore. If those they think seriously, if those don't they forget themselves, why will those be giving you star today? Let me ask that question first. Why those they give you star? They prepare you onto the seat to give you accolade onto the seat that you misled them to bring in a governor that is not functioning, not working, anti-people, every policies of whatever, nothing near what you promised us about. You almost had the whole of those in diaspora onto ransom because your message was good. You told them that this is the next Messiah of Obazee. But today, you left that same Benin in the same jeopardy. The same jeopardy that Benin was, and you came to UK. And those are gullibly so foolish, tolling along with you. Unto what? Claiming stars. They claim star. They come, they dance, they push it. They push it for what? They push it for what about? What are you celebrating? To escape the torment you put our people into. What they say make they vote, what you tell them make they vote Obazee. Not you not do. You form different WhatsApp group. Stand what they pick from you. Form. Scam me to the next level. Then you came to UK. They still they follow you. Those worldwide, make una wake up. Make una wake up from this scam. Make una wake up from scam. They use scam to swear for now. How about all come UK now? The scam una. They use Peter be the scam. Nothing say all this way. How about it's a definite a DNA scammer. DNA. That is a scamming there for a DNA. The scamming there for a bone marrows. It's a great scammer. Where is the Singapore? Where is Singapore you promise us? How about you won't die? When they look at another person's wife, how about you won't die? They look at another person's wife. The wife fight shout. You never come to public domain. Come talk say, Mama want fight shout. But you are another person's wife. Are you stupid? Are you crazy about? You think you can fool some people because of those they gullible? They hit you with points. They move for anywhere they swore, they give you stars. You're happy, you hit 100,000 stars, you're happy. Those people will give you those stars, they'll be fools as far as I'm concerned. They'll be grateful because you should be held as a culprit to project a governor where they work against the traditional system of the land. Who are those your supporters? They don't think. Cole don't catch their head. Cole catch their head for Canada or America where they give you star. Unto what? You should be held responsible. You are a culprit. As far as I'm concerned, you are a culprit. To this way the people's opinion, to mislead the people, to vote for a wrong governor. You can't call list now. The buga. What a shame and disgrace. What a shame and disgrace about Obazee. Your obsession with winning got to stop right now. Your obsession, that your greedy urge where they desire another person's wife, got to stop. You are a recluse. A big one for that matter. Another man ex, he too fine, shout. I never see you call promote the man when. Says he too fine, shout. You dey promote ex of the Nosage. I go beat you, sha. I go beat you with words today. I never reach house. I sit there for outside. I go beat you today. Today not today for me and you. You go hear fire for fire, words for words. Those your scam. Who do that juju for you? It go end. We got to Singapore in Benin. Let it be. Not Jackpa. Nobody is Jackpa. Jackpa now the link of failures. Nobody is Jackpa. Let's take the bull by the horn and face the corrupt leaders. Not come to preach Jackpa. Then you were telling us we're going to get like Singapore. Now that Jackpa you preach. You're a fucking failure. I'm going to beat you today, Sha. I go beat you. Let me tell you, I go beat you. Even though I put virus on my page, I go talk up. I go talk up like there's no tomorrow. I'm going to beat you, words for words. You my intellectual prowess than myself. What an opportunist. Only they fight everybody. Fighting everybody. Only you. Fighting. Tony Kabaka no good. Eboso no good. Akobe no good. Only you. Now only you good. With your big belly, we couple for because of star. Because they show your stupid belly. Who among social media influencers don't say push it because you be poverty stricken idiot from the pit of hell. Poverty stricken idiot from the pit of hell. He push it, can't sit down for a bed. He walk out from another dimension. You don't fail. That obsession what you get for Winifred, it go kill you. It go buy you. You be adulterous human being. Adulterous to the core. Adulterous. You don't get swag. They pay you. They pay you. They say Don Osagi get beautiful wife there. You go to your coven. You call to celebrate divorce. Make I reserve much. Let me save the best for the last. What a shameless human being. My people, make I end this broadcast. Make I end that. They call for Abba today. Unda Abba. Unda. Unogbabe. Abba Unda. No swag, nothing. No person wipe, nothing in your eyes. Woe betide you.